Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to customize Tome AI themes and layouts to match your personal or business branding. Let's get started. First, you need to search Tome app and open your presentation. And then here, go to Design tab at the top to access themes and layout settings. And then here, you can change the color to match your brand palette. You can update the font to your style. You can edit the layouts, change the themes, and colors, consistent slides, layouts like grid, split, or full image. You can then save and reuse. Save your custom theme so you can reuse it to across all projects. This is great for themes, portfolios, and client presentations. And that's how to brand your Tome AI slides with custom theme. Keep your designs consistent and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.